Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A33 from 2020 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and actually your contact list and find the contact you want to edit. For example, this one, simply tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, edit contact icon and choose the camera icon. And now you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best situation if you've got the person right in front of you, or simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will obviously pick choose a photo from the gallery and simply tap on the photo you want to use. Now you have to decide where you want to crop the photo, so you can do it using the gallery or Google Photos, and I think I will pick Google Photos this time. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. So just place the face in this square, and of course you can change the angle of the picture, it's up to you. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save right here. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. Let's get back. And it is also visible on our contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.